Hey everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So how's everybody doing today? I hope good. Well, it is evening here, late in the evening, and I just thought I would do a video. I felt like doing a video. I'm just like I'm about to eat some chips. I know I'm not doing any fitness, but it's evening. I've got my little glass of wine and I had a bag of chips. Help! I don't know how it is for anybody else, but I don't know. It's just like in the evening, I always get the munchies, and instead of eating peanuts, then I'll have some chips. But these aren't the typical chips. These are Linsen chips or lentil chips, as they would say in English. This is the flavor soy cream style. And they give you a little bit of a good conscience because it's only 40% less fat than the normal chips. So they give you a good idea, or not a good idea. They give you a good feeling that you're not eating just pure fat. But I don't know, for some reason I always like to munch on something at nighttime. I don't know how it is for you all. And I'm about to watch a movie on my new TV. Yay! I'm so excited. Yes, finally my room is somewhat finished. I got my closet up. Okay, don't mind that. I got so many shoes. I really have a shoe problem. I have so many shoes. Oh, I think I got a shoe and purse fetish. So in my next house, which will be my big villa, I am going to have my own personal room just filled with shoes. Okay, nothing but shoes, shoes and purses. And then I'll have the next room just clothes, because I love clothes. And then clothes and jewelry. I gotta have my accessories. So yeah, I'm getting there. I mean, as you see, I still got a lot of boxes. It's just filled with, I just got a lot of stuff. But I'm happy because mostly everything is put away. So I'm excited about that. It's not looking so junky anymore. And yeah. So anywho, yeah, I'm going to watch a movie. I'm gonna watch a horror movie. Yes, a horror movie. Now, normally I watch it with my daughter, but she is conked out. So I guess I'm not gonna be watching it with her. I guess I'm gonna watch it by myself. Yes, I have desire to watch a horror movie, and of course, if I'm watching my movies, I'm gonna have to have my little chippies or something. I normally like to eat these like rice cracker chips, but I don't know, for some reason they don't sell them anymore, and I don't want to eat any vegetables. I mean, vegetables are boring. Come on now. I want to eat vegetables at night. Yeah, so I'm going to munch on these delicious lentil bean chips. Not potato chips, but lentil beans. And yeah, do you guys recognize this? I'll stand up. This is my little kimono from Fuerteventura. I decided to take it with me because I wanted to bring a little bit of Fuerteventura over here. Although this isn't really Fuerteventura weather. I mean, the weather is constantly changing. It's either one day nice weather or the next day is cool. So I don't know. I have to bring the Fuerteventura spirit over here and keep it going. So that's another reason why I bought. Normally I leave my summer things and beach like clothes over there, but I decided to take it with because I'm like, nah, I want to bring some. I love this thing. It's so pretty and it's comfortable and it's definitely a piece to have around the house or, going to the swimming pool. I can also sport this with my bathing suit, which I hope that I'll be able to put on for the next few weeks. I don't know. I would love to go swimming. Okay, I don't swim, but I like to be in the ambient. My kids swim, so. Yes, I know. I don't swim. I know. Who doesn't swim? I know. I don't know. I always said I want to learn how to swim, but I just have not taken the time to do that. I guess that's one of my bucket lists of things to do is to learn how to swim. I mean, I can doggy paddle, but that's not the same, you know? Yeah. So, anywho, yeah, I just wanted a quick chit chat. Yeah, and I don't know, has anybody watched the full trial from Johnny Depp and Amber Heard? Well, I did. I didn't watch everything. I'm still into it and getting into the testimonies from Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, but right now I'm watching his sister. His sister's on the stand, and she seems like a really nice, caring sister who really looked after her baby brother. Because Johnny Depp is he's the youngest out of four, and he comes out of a dysfunctional family. His mom was quite abusive, so it is so obvious that he married his mom. Such a pity though, because his other wife she seemed to be a stable woman, a woman who would stand by him. They were together for 14 years, his first wife. Or not, they weren't even married, I don't think. Vanessa Paradis, I don't know, I'm probably saying her name wrong. But they weren't even married. They've been together for 14 years and 2 kids, but I mean, I don't know. I guess that's typical from couples. One of the persons in the marriage usually gets bored or gets curious or goes through a midlife crisis, and I think Johnny Depp was going through a midlife crisis. I mean, he met this young, beautiful blonde on a film set. They were filming some movie. I don't even know the name of the movie. And then from there on it went, but I mean, obviously he got bamboozled by her looks, and she turned out to be a real demon. And I really do believe everything what he said, and just judging. I mean, just looking at her and following up on the case and listening to her testimony. I mean, I've heard fragments of it, her testimony, and she just seems like a heartless person. I mean, seriously. I mean, just if you look at her and how she sits there and looks on the stand, she's like this. Just it doesn't look like a person who's scared. It looks like a person like, you better not say that. That's the impression I have from her. And whether we like to not, how can I say, whether we like to admit it or not, there are men out there who are being abused. I mean, I know it sounds weird because it's normally the other way around, but I believe, I totally believe that Johnny Depp was being abused and from this woman, and she physically hurt him. I think she's a real B. In all honesty, she just comes over like that, just a mean person. And that's when I say, you can be beautiful, but if you're ugly inside, oh man, just takes all your looks away. And in all honesty, I mean, her being in the court, I mean, she is ugly. She does not look as pretty as she did 10 years ago. Sorry, but it's the truth. I mean, she looks just like the way she acts. I believe her true self has come out, and I think she's a miserable person, and I think she's very, very jealous of Johnny Depp. I mean, just hearing about he was talking about how he had gotten this deal from Dior, and she just totally like put him down, like, nobody wants you, you're fat and old. I mean, how cruel is that? I mean, wow. But Johnny Depp was, actually his sister was talking about how the mother was really cruel to him, cruel to all of them, and how she used to beat them, and especially Johnny, and just a very mean, unhappy person. These people, they just do not deserve kids. I just sometimes wonder, why do these people have kids? It's so cruel. But yeah, I definitely believe Johnny married his mom, and I'm glad he left this woman, and I so hope that he wins this case, this defamation case, because she really ruined his career. I didn't realize what an impact she made. I mean, when I first heard the allegations that he was abusive, I was just like, what? And I just immediately like, oh my gosh, I don't like Johnny Depp anymore. It's typical. But the fact that she said, and she even, you can even hear her in the recording saying that, if you try to go and, put this out in the press that I was abusive, nobody's going to believe you. I so believe that, because I think it happens to a lot of guys, excuse me. I believe it happens to a lot of guys, they get in these marriages, or they hook up with these women, and, because normally it's usually the other way around. The women are mainly being abused. I can very well believe that, it's hard as a man to, go out and say, hey, I'm being abused from my wife, And so the fact that she said that, I totally believe it. It fits to this woman, and everybody's coming out and saying this person is not nice, and I totally believe it, and that this person gives off that aura, and like I said, she's got a kid. So I really feel bad for the child who's about to grow up with this woman, because they're going to have a hard time. I hope somebody takes that child away from her. I mean, seriously, I don't like to say stuff like that, but it's the feeling that I get, just looking at her. It's just like such a blank stare. This woman she appears to have no feelings at all. I mean, just looking at her. But yeah, so I watched that today, and yeah, wow. We'll see how this all plays out. But I got a feeling he's going to win. I definitely good feeling he's going to win. So, anywho, I'm going to eat my chips. But I thought I'd share that little point. I don't know, get that off my chest. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy my evening. So I hope you guys enjoy your evening, your day, or your morning. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. And yeah, I'll see you around. And no, there's no fitness today, and no guilty feelings. I am definitely going to be in the fitness studio tomorrow, and I won't miss it. I hope not, at least. I hope. Okay. Till next time. Bye.